current will flow, no drop will be there across it. So 5 volts, 0 current, so 5 volts. So instantly all problems are solved and you can answer any question. So a practical voltage source, what is a good source? Which is having less resistance, less internal resistance. So a practical voltage source is having, say, 5 volts and let us say 0.5 ohm internal resistance is R. So if you keep it open, no current, no drop, 5 volts. If you short, all drop will be across this, 10 amperes current will flow, 0 volts here. If you connect a resistor of 4.5 ohms, in that case what will happen? 4.5 ohm, 0.5 ohm total 5 ohm resistance, so there will be 1 ampere current and there will be 4.5 volts. So then it becomes very simple and you can solve all problems with quite ease. So the takeaway from today's session, which is very important, is the fundamentals of electric circuits, and this is a practical voltage source which consists of an ideal voltage source and non-separable internal resistance. You can't access this point. So whatever voltage source is there is a practical voltage source which we deal with. As long as the resistance is negligible and currents are not so high, we can ignore this internal resistance, but keep it in mind that it is always there. We can't get an ideal voltage source. In the entire discussion, the problems what we solve, you will solve it using a voltage source. You will assume it to be a voltage source. In the end, all the exams, including GATE exam, everywhere, when a voltage source is shown in the diagram, it is assumed to be ideal voltage source, because the currents which normally flow are not so high where this should be taken cognizance of. But to be precise, it is a constant voltage source. Then there is one more method which we will learn in some other subject, that is called as regulated voltage source. You must have performed the experiment of the in basic electrical engineering, you must have performed some experiment of using the voltage source in the laboratory. It is neither ideal nor practical. It is a different creation that is constructed to be like an ideal voltage source from using practical voltage sources. To that we shall deal later, but I think now it is much more than enough what was expected. You are supposed to take away the things very appropriately. In the next session, tomorrow we will further engage. Tomorrow, elaborate the concept first, and after tomorrow's, so this lecture and tomorrow's lecture, after that we will have an interactive meeting where we are supposed to address the difficulties, if any, if you have. Thank you.